Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze dripping on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me, and I'm feeling good. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. River running free, you know how I feel. Blossom on a tree, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me, and I'm feeling good.
Take 7, everybody.
You don't know how mad I am right now. I'm so frustrated, like.
It's alright.
I mean, hi. How's everyone doing?
Hey!
Are you guys doing good? Do you hear the cracks in my voice?
How you doing, guys?
How you guys doing? Happy Tuesday. Tomorrow, guess what tomorrow it is? Guess what tomorrow it is? Hey, hump day!
Hump day?
Okay.
Ready?
Okay.
Yes?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I forgot my first note.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Oh crap, that scared me.
I'm sorry, that was my fault.
Whoops.
That was all my fault.
Whoops. Whoops.
Whoops. Hair flip. Whoops. We could get this.
No biggie. No biggie.
Crap, come on. No! Fish in the sea.
No. Biggie, take 5.
Ready?
No biggie, okay? No,
No biggie.
big. No big. Hair flip.
Hair flip.
Hair flip.
No. Got
Okay,
this.
take 5. Let's go.
It's good.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, that thing. One from underneath.
Next, it's okay, so it's birds flying high, you know how I feel, and then it's fish in the sea, and then it's dragonflies out in the sun,
Yes.
and then it's the key change, and then key change, and then key change, and then it's stars when they shine, no, shine, whatever.
Yes.
Play the music. Dragonfly out in the sun.
I'm sorry. No, you need to save your voice for Monday.
Oh crap. I have an audition on Monday. Why does this always happen to me? I either lose my voice or I get sick before an audition. Anyways, tea and honey.
See you.
Or water and lemon and honey or whatever.